First, find the yarn number in the manual for the matching pattern block. Next, only hook on the horizontal line. Do not hook them on the vertical line. Fold the thread in half, align the ends. Thread the hook through the grid, hooking the middle of the yarn. Pull the latch hook back through the grid. Extend the hook forward until the yarn comes out of the hook loop. Insert the yarn into the latch hook and pull it back from the yarn loop. Finally, pull the knot tight to ensure both ends are even. Congratulations! You have now learned how to latch hook. Repeat the knotting steps and enjoy your relaxing crafting time. Visit our online store Veirousa.com to explore more fantastic latch hook kits. Limited time discounts are now available.